It's chicken wing time here at TMG, and today we're gonna find out how many chicken wings will fit in the brand new TMG Pits Hybrid 36. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a giveaway at the same time. So for the person that can guess the right amount of chicken wings by count, not pounds, without going over, will win a TMG hat, our torch, and a burger press. So in the comments below, please comment. This is gonna go across all of our social medias, so we'll have to check all of them together. We're doing one giveaway, and for today's test, we'll go over this. We got the Naughty Wood pellets here. They sent us some with they're almond wood, so we're gonna try those out today. Also trying out the Lawman Rub Company, the joint. So we're gonna put these on the wings here, and then we're gonna throw them on TMG Pits Hybrid. Okay, so you guys can see this is our 36-inch hybrid. Obviously, we have a firebox for real offset wood cooking here. This one's on our off-road package. It's gonna come standard on a caster package. I want to give you guys a full look at it. That way you know what you're looking at here. Obviously, we've got the pellet hopper going because we're trying to get some work done today. Here's the total amount of wings. I'm not gonna tell you how many. I did count them all. Open that up so you guys can see. 3 full racks, side to side. These are what our distributor considers party wings. So party wings being that they're not just the average small little wing. These are pretty big wings here. So there's the full size of it. So guys, good luck guessing. Okay guys, so we're gonna wrap it up now. I've actually been chowing down on these. The guys have already ate. They come out great. Good color, good taste. A huge shout out to Naughty Wood and our boy Blake at A&B Distributing, because he hooked us up with the wings. So now is you guys get to go and try to see how many we had on there. And like we said, one winner, not the pounds, but the count of wings. The closest without going over will get a hat, a torch, and a burger press. So go on, comment in the section below, and let's get it.